Many organizations fail when resetting Konica Minolta development units. But the real problem is that they don't understand the reset principle. In this video, I will explain how the trick works and show you the correct reset method step by step. This is the reset principle of Konica Minolta development and drum units. If you understand this method, your success rate will definitely improve. Don't forget to save this video and follow for more copy repair tips. See you next time.